What? Don't knock over my soda.
Okay. Brooke,
What?
were you just kidding?
No.
David. David. Papa hates you. Tiffy.
What?
Mom hates you. Tiffy.
What?
Mama hates you.
Tiffy,
Poppy hates you too.
Grandma Gail hates you.
And Grandma Vicky.
Everybody hates you.
Everybody hates you.
Don't hates you. What?
Everybody hates you too.
You're so mean.
Now look what you've done. Stop copying me. Stop copying me.
Stop copying me. Ah. Ah.
Oh, in the head.
Throw it. I dare you.
Loser.
I'm gonna beat you with it. I'm gonna beat you. Too bad Papa hates you.
Oh. Oh.
She's gonna go tell Mommy. Tiffy! Where are you? What are you doing?
She came in here and told on you.
You told on us, Tiffany!
You hurt her feelings.
She's, are you being serious? I said no. She goes, you're just joking?
No, just don't tell her you don't hate her. Tell her. Her feelings are hurt. Tell her.
What did you tell her?
No, Brooke needs to tell you.
What?
Tell me something.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna drop you. Move, David.
Pick me up.
Okay, hold on. Alright, let's go. Logan,
Bye.
she told on you.
What?
She walks in there, she's all hugging on
I
Papa.
hate him.
She's all hugging on Papa, and Papa's like, you hurt her feelings.